I'm sorry. Sorry. Welcome everyone.
I don't even have an emergency.
Or I can have it set to like Disney.
Oh yeah, it was no bad.
In just a few moments, the library doors in front of you will be opening. Please stand back from the doors as they will be opening toward you. Thank you.
Welcome on into the library.
You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You just crossed over into the Twilight Zone.
Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. The time is now, on an evening very much like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story of the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard, because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
Yep, all the way to right.
Thank you.
Row 2.
Row 2, alrighty.
Take that open square on row 2.
Alrighty. Row 2, right? Oh, right here. Okay.
Welcome everyone to the Hollywood Tower Hotel. Before your elevator arrives, a few things to remember. Your seatbelts going from your left to right and left to right only. Your bags on the floor, at your feet. Hold on to anything loose. If not, it flies out. And we'll go in one row at a time. Anything on your head or in your pockets may fly out, so please hold on to your hats and or sunglasses.
To our valued guests, for your safety once on board, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the elevator at all times. And do take special care to supervise your children. Thank you. Estimados ustedes. Por su seguridad. Una vez acá, por favor, permanezcan sentados y mantengan sus manos, brazos y cinturones dentro del elevador en todo momento. Y por favor, vigile sus niños. Gracias.
6 stop left, watches that laser, 6 stop left, not yet. Everyone, 3 more.
What have you said the whole time? That's not good. This is come off.
It's not even gonna be that bad. It's gonna be so
I love this song.
You are the passengers of the elevator about to ascend into your very own episode of The Twilight Zone. One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator and into a nightmare. That door is opening once again, and this time, it's opening for you. About to discover what lies beyond the dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of imagination, in the Tower of Terror.
I can feel it coming.
Welcome back to those of you who made it. And a friendly word of warning. Something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel in the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling. Or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
No, I was actually doing. You guys. Like, that's my face goes. I was like,
Ladies and gentlemen,
I really think
and watch our step as we exit to the elevator village. We trust your stay at the Hollywood Tower Hotel has been a pleasant one. Please do come back.